Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time, I know, but I'm back with a new video and a new tutorial and new skills. So stay tuned if you want to see the tutorial for this eye look I've done right here. So the first colour I'm going in with is this blue from the Lick and Lash Beauty palette. I'm using a Zoeva 224 and I'm just buffing this in my crease and just blending it until I'm satisfied using small circular motions. So I'm using another Zoeva 224 brush and I'm taking a lighter blue colour and I'm blending that on top of the first blend, which is the blue, and I'm just buffing that out as well. And don't forget to go back in with the blue again, your first blend, just for any colour loss that might have occurred. Okay, now take a deep breath. It's time to cut the crease. Not everyone's favourite part, but what I like to do is that I'm going in with a Zoeva 144 brush and I'm using the Plouise base in the shade Rimmel, which is number 2, and I'm just stamping where I want my crease to go. I'm just letting the brush do all the work for me. This is the method that I prefer to use. I'm just using this beige eyeshadow and I'm just patting that to where I've done my crease. I'm just applying some lash glue because we're about to place some pigment up in this place. Now I'm taking the Plouise Pigment in Popping Candy and I'm just placing that on the first half of my crease, and that's all. This looks attractive, doesn't it? Anyway, I'm just taking the NYX Jumbo pencil in Milk and I'm just applying this to my lower lash line. No, I'm applying it to my waterline. Now I'm using the Plouise base in shade 5 and I'm just buffing and patting that into my skin, ready for my blends underneath my eye. It just creates such a nice blank canvas. I love the consistency of this product. What comes up must go down, only if you want it to, but it does mirror the effect of what you've done on top underneath, and it just brings the whole look together. So I'm just going in with the same blends on top underneath. For some time for some lashes. I don't know why that song always comes into my head when I start putting on my lashes and I'm filming, but yeah, it's time to just add some lashes to just give some pum pow to your look. Now I'm just adding some inner corner highlight to my eye, and some mascara is going to be added just to combine, what am I talking about, just to blend my eyelashes in with the false eyelashes, and also just to get rid of any fallout. Don't watch the creasing in my eye, just focus on how bling blow this look is. We are done, we are finished. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.